What's up YouTube, this is Prince with ATP 101, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your iPhone speaker louder. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the loudest iPhone Apple ever made, and this will work for all the other iPhones as well. So the way to do this is basically, let's play a song, let's turn it all the way up. So you hear that? So let's go to settings. I'm going to scroll down to music. You want to scroll down and you want to go to playback and you see EQ. So you want to go to EQ and basically you want to choose one of these settings right here, and the best one to choose if you want the loudest music is late night. That's the one right there. So let's play it. You hear that? You hear the difference? So you can choose any one of these, but late night is the loudest one. So if you want the loudest, always go with late night. I mean, let's switch songs. The way it went down, now it got louder. Just like that. So that's how you make your iPhone speaker sound louder. And this will work for any iPhones. Prince with ATP 101. Peace.